Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make lemon curd. All the ingredients of this recipe I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. Pour lemon juice. Lemon zests. Caster sugar, and unsalted butter. Simmer until the butter melts. And reserve. Put the egg, the egg yolk, and whisk well. Add the lemon mixture little by little and stir every now and again to not cook the eggs. Transfer to the saucepan and cook until it's creamy and thick. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!